Hi there, students. What is an ailurophile? An ailurophile. This is a person who loves cats. Yeah, we could have the condition ailurophilia, the love of cats. I know there are lots and lots of ailurophiles out there. And what's the opposite? Well, an ailurophobe. Yeah, somebody who's frightened of cats, who doesn't like cats at all. Ailurophobia, the fear of cats. So that's the absolute opposite. Let's see, an ailurophile. Yeah, a cat lover, a cataholic, a catophile, or even a felophile. Yeah, from feline. Okay, so are you an ailurophobe or are you an ailurophile? Wow. Yeah, ailurophilic as an adjective or ailurophobic as an adjective. So his ailurophilic videos tend to be very successful in social media. Okay, so I think with cats, some people love them and some people really can't stand them. Although I think the majority of people are ailurophiles. They have ailurophilic attitudes towards cats. Yeah, a felinophile as well. Yeah, a philofelist. Yeah, philogalist as well. Wow, there's just a huge number of different words, but I like this one. This is a formal word. It's quite an unusual word as well. So maybe this you could add to your collection. As to origin, this comes from Greek. It's mixed from ailuros in ancient Greek, meaning a cat, and then phile, somebody who loves something, and phobe, somebody who's frightened of it. Okay, so are you an ailurophile? Yeah, ailurophilia is very common with these cute cat videos. Yeah, hugging your cat. Formality. Wow. I think I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. I think you could use this in an informal conversation if you're making a joke. Otherwise, it's probably too formal otherwise. I would use it in a semi-formal or a formal writing. You could use it in one of your essays or something like that. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ailurophile, ailurophobe, and various others.